Okay, good morning. Happy March 26th. Today we're just going to continue on with homework practice 11.3. So you guys got some buddy practice yesterday, and today we're just going to work in the book on page 655. So this is 655 and 656. I'll wait for you guys, or actually you guys could just put me on pause to go get your book. And I got a lot of good practice buddies yesterday, so I feel like you guys are really getting the hang of this, so I'm super excited. I didn't get everybody's, so if everyone could turn that in. I know it's a little different to turn in practice buddy, but usually once you start it, I see it. Okay, so let's just review. Today we're doing weight, and as you know, from your chart and from your book, 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds, 1 pound equals 16 ounces, and again, your book has all the measurements, so you could go back and take a look at that. All right, remember, when we convert from small to large, we divide. It's like a horse, right? And from large to small, we multiply. And you could kind of see this. I like this handy dandy chart that he has right here because he shows you how to break down ounces into pounds in a nice colorful way. So that's what we're going to do today. Just because I want to get you guys started, I'm going to do a couple of problems for you. Okay, let's begin with a couple of these problems. I'm just going to move straight to 13 because that one is a really good problem to understand pounds and tons. Now, 1 ton, we know 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So let me make that look like a 1 instead of an I. So we could just put that in our chart right here and put a 1. So again, we know that 3 tons, well, if 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds, and we're going here from a small unit to big unit, of course we're going to multiply, right? And we're going to multiply 3 by what? Well, that's pretty easy. We know that 1 pound equals 2,000, so we could even write this out. 2 tons equals 4,000. And then 3 tons, of course, is going to equal 6,000. And if you notice, that is just 3 times 2. So here's my 6,000 right there. I am getting a stylus today, so I'm super excited. Notice that 3,000, we didn't hit it because, of course, that is right in between the 2 and the 4. So guess what that is? 1.5 or 1.5? So that one's not so bad. Okay, so you guys could do number 14 with that. Let's clear these drawings, and I love these 7 and through 12 because it lets you know which one is bigger, right? So let's do 10. Is 10 pounds bigger? And remember, when we say pounds, it's LBS or LB, or 16 ounces. Which one is bigger? Well, the idea is you definitely have to make everything equal to the same unit. So I'm going to choose pounds to make everything equal to pounds. So this guy's already in pounds. I'm not going to do anything with him. So he's already in pounds. I could just leave him right there. So I'm going to take 16 ounces and I am going to divide because I am going to pounds. So I go from 16 ounces, and if I divide by 16, and where did I get that? 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So, oops, I wrote that wrong. Let me clear that. Okay, so 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Okay, so that's pretty easy. So if I have 1,600 ounces, I'm going to divide that by 16 to see how many pounds there are. Well, I know this line means divide, I know that. And when I have this, I could cross these out, and this becomes 16 divided by 16 is 1. And guess what we get? 100 pounds. So of course 100 pounds is going to be bigger than 10. And that's how you do that one. Okay, I'm going to have you try 15 and 16 and 17. And also, I mean, you're going to do this whole page, so you're going to do 18 through 21. Excuse me. But I want you to look at, obviously, you really need to start underlining and reading what they want here so you are able to kind of do it without having any problems. So make sure that you start underlining and circling the text so you could kind of understand what they're doing here. So take a look at this whole page. I'm going to have Zoom today at 11 for you guys. So if you get stuck, just come visit me at Zoom and I could help you out. Tomorrow, don't forget, is iReady Friday. So no book work, just 40 minutes of iReady tomorrow. And then you're going to have a great weekend. So it shouldn't be too tough tomorrow. Other than that, come to Zoom, ask questions. I love how you guys are coming and turning things in, and keep it up. All right, have a great day. Bye, guys.